Welcome back. I hope you have a great day and making it beautiful one for you. Well, in this video, we will learn how to fix. The problem is that when I was processing my shot in Premiere Pro, everything is fine. Like sequence setting is 9 by 16. My timeline is 9 by 16. Everything is good. And when I export it, its preview was horizontal. Let me show you. When you play it in your monitor or on big screen, you cannot guess it. But when you will play it in your mobile phone, you will say that, oops, this is the problem. You can see on the screen right here, it just show a teeny screen. Let's get started. So here, this is the video. This time its preview is 9 by 16. Basically it's a short video. Definitely you can see its preview is 9 by 16 at the current time. If I show you the sequence settings, if I click on that and then if I go to sequence settings, you can see right here, this is the frame size 1080p to 920p, and you can see the ratio 9 by 16 right here. Everything is fine. Timeline is 9 by 16. Everything is good. But the problem comes when you export it. Sometimes definitely you will got this problem if you also use Premiere Pro, and I don't want to waste your time when you do this mistake, because I have already done. Save your time and do other work in that time. But on the export window, you can see the preview right here. Even it is looking 9 by 16 aspect ratio, but my friend, see the preview, it is horizontal. If you see the black background in the back of this video, so you can see clearly. But let me show you, you cannot guess it, right? Let me show you. At this time, this is 9 by 16 aspect ratio preview. Let's see in this preview. As I change it, so you can see a black background in the back of this video. Let's come to the point, what is the problem and how to fix it. Only the problem is that except from these three, adaptive high, medium or low, except from these three, when you go to another else like 1080p or 4K or HD 720p and other else, except from these three. And make sure I'm just talking about the vertical videos. It just applied to vertical videos like 9 by 16 aspect ratios. It does not apply to horizontal or 16 by 9 aspect ratios videos. If you choose 1080p, for example, if I choose 1080p, as I click on that, have you seen the difference? Let me show you again. When it was adaptive high bitrate, so it is, even it is 9 by 16 now, its preview is looking 9 by 16 and it is 9 by 16. As I click on 1080p, see the background, even it's looking like 9 by 16, but its preview resolution have changed to horizontal. See the black background around in the back, as you have already seen on the screen right here. So now what is the problem? Why it convert its preview when you click on 1080p? Because let me explain you. Basically, my friend, the 1080p or 4K or whatever UHD, these are the formats of horizontal or 16 by 9 aspect ratios videos. You cannot use them in vertical videos. As you click or use them into vertical videos, the preview of your 9 by 16 video will be shown in a horizontal. Even it's looking 9 by 16, it is perfect when you play in your big screen. But as you play in your mobile phone or smartphone, as you can see, it's looking very teeny size because its preview have changed to 16 by 9. This is the simple problem. Except from these three, adaptive high to medium or low, if you choose any other formats, so you will get this problem. I don't want to get you in this problem because I have already wasted my time. You just have to go with these adaptive high, medium and low. These are good to go, my friend, and these are more than good and enough. Whenever you process a vertical or 9 by 16 aspect ratio video in Premiere Pro, just use these three presets. These are more than good and enough, and simply then click on export. I will recommend the adaptive high bitrate in a short video because this is the way to fix the preview problem in a short video or 9 by 16 aspect ratio video in Premiere Pro when you export it. So you will get stuck into this problem. Probably, I'm not sure, I'm not 100% guarantee you, but probably if you click on 1080p or whatever presets if you choose, so you will get this problem definitely. Make sure you watch this video before you get stuck in this problem. I hope this helps you, and if it did, so make sure to give us a like, and also don't forget to subscribe, and not just to subscribe, ring the bell that you, my friend, don't miss out any other feature, tips, tricks or tutorials. So meet in the next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.